Hello everyone, welcome to this online class. My name is Roshan and you are here in this channel Learn Geography with Roshan. In this video we shall discuss about minerals and energy resources part 1. There are 2 chapters. So the first one that we are going to discuss about is the minerals, the metallic minerals. Basically, we shall discuss about the iron ore. Before discussing about the iron ore, let's understand what is mineral. The definition of mineral. Mineral is an aggregate of 2 or more than 2 elements. It has a definite chemical compositions and it is formed in inorganic process. As we know that the minerals found on the earth's crust, it is extracted, then again processed, and then a mineral is used for various purposes. Mainly there are 2 types of minerals. The first one is metallic minerals and the second one is non-metallic minerals. From the term you can understand what is metallic and what is non-metallic. Metallic minerals are mainly used in metallurgical industries. For example, iron, manganese, copper, bauxite. So these are the example of metallic minerals. And these metallic minerals are mainly found in igneous rocks. They are formed in igneous rocks. In India, mainly they are found in southern part of India. As we know, the Deccan Plateau is formed by the volcanic eruptions. So, igneous rocks are the primary rocks that is found in southern India. So, mainly the non-metallic minerals are found in South India and the Chotanagpur Plateau. The second type of minerals are non-metallic minerals. These non-metallic minerals are formed and found in sedimentary rocks. For example, mica, limestone, coal, etc. are non-metallic minerals. There are 2 points you must remember, that minerals are non-renewable. They are exhaustible. That means they take thousands of years to form. So what should be our responsibility? It must be preserved and it must be used consciously and judiciously. Now coming towards the first mineral that we are going to discuss. There are various types of minerals. The example of minerals that were discussed. The bauxite is removed from the syllabus, so you don't have to study bauxite. So in this lesson we have iron ore, manganese and copper. So 3 minerals we need to discuss their uses, the types and their distribution, which part of India they are found. So here let us discuss about iron ore. As you know, iron ore is the backbone of modern industries. It is helpful for economic growth of India. There are 4 types of iron ore and they are categorized on the basis of the purity of iron content that is found. The first one is magnetite, the second one is hematite, third one is limonite and the fourth one is siderite. So these are 4 types of iron ore. The first type, that is magnetite. The iron content is 72% and they are reddish in color. This type of iron is mainly used for pigments. Pigments means for making color, for making paint. And the areas they are found in India are in Tamil Nadu, Goa, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala. So magnetite, as the term, they have the magnetic power. They can attract other minerals. So, and it is the topmost category of iron ore, that is magnetite. The second type of mineral, that is iron category, is hematite, and the iron content is 60 to 70%, and they are mainly found in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Basically they are found in Totanaquil Plateau. This hematite type of iron, and the iron content is 60 to 70%. And the third category of iron is limonite. Limonite is yellowish in color, and it contains 40% to 60% of pure iron. So as we could see that in magnetite 70% of iron content is found, and hematite 60 to 70% of iron content is found, and in limonite 40 to 60% of iron content is found. It is yellow or brown in color, and it is inferior in quality when you compare with rest of two categories, that is magnetite and hematite. So limonite is bit inferior in quality. Then we have the areas where they are found. They are mainly found in West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. There are two places where iron filled, as mentioned over here. In West Bengal, the iron field is known as Raniganj, and in Himachal Pradesh they are found in Kangra Valley. So remember the places and the states where they are found. Then limonite is used as pigment in manufacture of paints. Pigment means the making of paints from the iron. As we see, when the iron is kept for days exposed to the sun or water, the rust occurs. So the reddish quality or the reddish color is used, that is called pigment. Then we have siderite. Siderite, it is the last category, the fourth category of the iron, and it is an inferior ore and has many impurities. So it is a mixture of all other minerals. So very less amount of iron content is found, that is between 10% to 40% of iron content is found in siderite, and it is self-fluxing due to presence of lime. So the presence of lime is along with this type of iron. Self-fluxing means the change of the amount of the content of the iron, that is 10% to 40%. So this is an inferior quality, the lowest quality, and it is mainly used for making steel production. Then we have the places where they are found. The siderite type of iron ore is mainly found in Gujarat, Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh and Rajasthan. So remember the states name where they are found, and for what this type of iron ore is used for. It's like there are 4 categories of iron: magnetite, hematite, limonite and siderite. So magnetite is mainly used for pigment, making paints and colors. Then again, hematite is mainly used for, it is 60 to 70% of iron ore, and limonite is used for again pigment, that is making of manufacturing paint, and then siderite is used for the production of steel. So according to the quality of these 4 types of minerals, there are lower grade iron ore and the higher grade iron ore. So basically the lower grade iron ore is compacted and converted into pellets for export. This lower grade of iron ore is made pellets, a rounded shape of iron, and it is exported to other country. It is also used as sponge iron for blending with high grade ore. So the lower grade iron ore is used for sponge iron. Sponge iron means the iron which can be flexible, the inferior quality of iron, and it is mixed with the high quality of iron to make it very strong. The uses of iron ore: the iron is used for which purposes? As we know, the iron ore is used in many ways. So first of all, it is used for making pig iron, sponge iron and steel. So 3 points are there. It is used for making pig iron, sponge iron and steel. Pig iron means when the iron ore is extracted from the earth's crust, the initial stage of iron is known as pig iron. The fresh that is extracted from the earth's crust, and sponge iron as well as it is also used for making steel. Steel and iron or iron and steel together form the largest manufactured products in the world. In the world, the steel and iron or iron and steel make or the form the largest manufacturing industries for making automobiles, for car, making vehicles, making different types of constructions, buildings. So these are used. It is widely used for construction of roads, railways, appliances, buildings, machines, tools and automobiles. So in the various purposes, the main area or widely that is used in construction of roads, making automobiles, in buildings, making machines, tools, railways, the railway engines, the railway tracks, all are made up of iron. Steel is used in a variety of other construction materials such as bolts, nails, screws, screwdrivers, screws or nails that we fix in making the furnitures. Bolts, the nut bolts are made from iron and steel. Other appliances include like shipbuilding, pipeline, transport, mining, furniture, armor like personal armor and vehicle armor. So various purpose iron is used: shipbuilding, pipeline, transport or mining or furniture or armor, the army personnel that use the different guns or devices for fight or for the war. So now let's see the distribution of iron ore. Which part of India they are found more? First of all, I said in peninsular area and in Chotanagpur Plateau. Chotanagpur Plateau consists of the states like Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh. So these are the 4 states which comes under Chotanagpur Plateau. So basically, with the categories that is there of iron ore, Karnataka has a large reserves of magnetite and hematite type of iron ore. So Karnataka has large reserves of magnetite and hematite type of iron ore. The important deposits are found in Bellary district, Hospet district and Sandur in Bellary district. So these are the places in Bellary district that is found, and also found in Baubudan hills and Kudermukh are important mining areas in Chikmagalur district, Chitradurga, Shimoga, Tumkur districts also produce this type of iron ore. In Chhattisgarh is a major producer of iron ore in India. The deposits are mainly found in Durg and Bastar districts. Dali, Rajhara iron ore fields and Bailadila are the major mining areas where good quality of hematite iron ore is found. So remember, in Karnataka they are found mainly in Bellary districts, then Shimoga, Chikmagaluru, then Chitradurga, Tumkur districts, and in Chhattisgarh they are mainly found in Durg and Bastar districts. Much of the iron ore from Bailadila is being exported to Japan. So question may arise, from which iron ore or from which state the iron ore is exported to Japan. So it is from Chhattisgarh, that is the deposits area is Bailadila. Then Odisha is the largest producer of iron ore. Here good quality of hematite type of iron ore is mined in the districts of Sundargarh, Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, Cuttack and Koraput districts. So Odisha is the largest producer of iron ore, and the districts that are found are mainly in Sundargarh, Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, Cuttack and Koraput districts. The places where deposits of iron are there: Badam Pahad, Gurumani, Sani, Kiriburu, Bonai, Solaipet, Umarkot are the important iron ore fields. In Jharkhand, they are mainly found, is one of the most important producer of iron ore and has a large reserves of hematite type of iron ore. Simbung district is the major producer of iron ore, where Nuamandi and Gua are the main mining areas. So remember, in the map also Singbung is asked and it is in the syllabus. So Singbung is in Jharkhand, is close to the Tropic of Cancer, so that you need to learn to level the area. Then the other states where iron ore mines exist are in Goa. Goa, the places are Bicholim, Sankilim, Nathalim and Borgadongar. These are the places where the iron ore is found. In Andhra Pradesh, Anantapur, Khammam, Nellore, Kudappa and Kurnool districts. And in Tamil Nadu, Salem, Coimbatore, Madurai, Tirunelveli and Ramanathapuram, Tiruchanapalli. So these are the places where the iron ore is found. Remember, in different states, different places of deposits of iron ore are there. You need to remember this. Then Kerala, Kozhikode. Then in Maharashtra, Lohra, Pipalgaon, Ratnagiri, Chandrapur, Bhandara, Satara and Rajgarh. So these are the places where the iron ore is distributed in India. So mainly in Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand, and then comes Goa, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Maharashtra. So these are the places where iron ore is found. You need to remember the four categories of iron ore that is categorized. The first one is magnetite, the second one is hematite, the third one is limonite and the fourth one is siderite. I hope you have understood this concept. Any doubt, any queries are there, please do ask in WhatsApp and clarify. And those who are coming to the school, we are discussing all these things. So those who are at home, please take more effort, study more, be responsible of self-studying so that you clarify each and everything and prepare well for the board examinations. If it is possible, please do come to school and we shall discuss in detail. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you. I remain.